So what do I got now? I got a Ford F-150. I don't even know the year of it. It's like a 2008, 9, 10, something like that. And it came in, towed in, and the shifter was doing nothing. You basically go, you know, park, reverse, neutral, drive, whatever. It's just flopping all over the place. Now when I grabbed the shifter, it almost felt like it's a floor shifter. You could feel it. It almost felt like it was moving a cable. Not like it was disconnected at the actual shifter. Okay, so it was already in neutral when it came to me. Actually, I think it's in drive or something like that. He shut it off that way. The reason I'm saying that is because I can't start it. I'm not quite sure what gear it's in. So I get it pushed inside and get it up on the lift. Here we go. This truck right here. And when I looked underneath, this is what I found. There's the shifter cable. And the bushing inside, which is this is what's left of it, was just hanging out there, and I basically just grabbed it with a little screwdriver and pulled it right out. So this little piece goes inside this cup, and then it snaps onto the shifter shaft, which is right there, that piece there, and it snaps in place. Now I kind of covered this with another vehicle, that Toyota, the other day, and what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to do the same thing here. Hopefully the bushings I have left over from the Toyota, hopefully something in there should work on this. So let me dig those out of my toolbox and see what I got. Alright, so I got these 3 kits here. This one, which is, I think I stole the one bushing out of here, and then this one. And this one looks like it's probably going to be my best bet. So what I got to do is figure out which one of these is going to fit into that female part of the cable and then snap over the actual shift lever shaft itself. I need to find something that's going to be somewhat similar to the opening of that. So let me dig them out and see which one I can't figure out to be the right one. So this one looks like it's going to be the winner. This one fits actually into that receiving hole there, and if you look, it has like a perfect fit to it. So I'm going to see if that'll snap in, because if it does snap in, it seems like it will fit perfectly over the shifter shaft. That. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay this in here, and I'm going to use a pair of pliers gently, and I'm going to see if I can't squeeze it in and snap it in place. Oh wait, actually, dang, it just actually popped in with my fingers. It didn't go in like super easy, but it went in. So let me see. So that's in, and now this, that's tight. I'm gonna get a pry bar. I'm gonna get a pry bar in between the front drive shaft and that. I'm gonna try to pop it in place. So let me go do that. All right, so here we go. I got the little pry bar here, and now let's see. There we go. Now you don't want to go nuts pushing that in place, you know, because you could actually bend the shifter shaft, the selector shaft, whatever you want to call it. So now, even though it popped in easily into the female part, the black part of the cable, it will actually, now that it's snapped over the other one, that'll actually spread it out slightly to hold it in firmer into the cable. So now, like, if I stuck the pry bar up here, and you can see I'm tugging on that pretty good. I'm bending the cable a little bit. I'm not going to go nuts, but that'll stay in place. That ain't popping off of there. So good. I'm glad. That's actually a good fix. That was a quick fix too. So I'm happy with that. So now let me let this down and see what the shifter feels like. All right, so here we go. We're inside, and my foot's on the brake. I'm going to turn the key to the run position, and yeah, it feels perfect. So now, reverse, drive, park. All right, I'm happy with that. That was a quick and easy fix. So, yeah, that was a good one. All right, so hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you do, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. That's it for now. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.